You're wearing your favorite ring when suddenly you realize it won't come off. Your finger feels tight, and panic starts to set in. The ring that slides on so easily is now completely stuck, and every second it stays on, your finger seems to swell more. You've probably heard that the best way to remove a stuck ring is to use soapy water or lotion and just pull harder. But here's the truth. This method often makes things worse. The moisture can actually cause your finger to swell even more, and all that pulling can hurt your finger or even damage the ring. If it's a precious gold or diamond ring, forcing it off could bend the band or loosen the setting, destroying its value completely. To solve this, take a simple piece of thread and carefully pass it under the stuck ring. You can use something thin like a toothpick or a needle to help guide it through. Once you have the thread under the ring, pull it through so you have a long tail extending past your fingertip. Now, take the other end of the thread and wrap it tightly around your finger, starting from the ring and moving toward your fingertip. Make sure each wrap is snug and sits right next to the previous one, with no gaps. Once your finger is wrapped, hold the ring steady with one hand. With your other hand, grab the end of the thread that's underneath the ring and gently start unwinding it by pulling. As you pull the thread, watch carefully as the ring begins to slide off, following the unwrapping motion. This method works because the tight wrapping compresses your finger, temporarily reducing the swelling that's keeping the ring trapped. As you unwind the thread from underneath the ring, it creates a smooth pathway that guides the ring over the compressed area. The thread acts like a ramp, allowing the ring to travel up and over the swollen knuckle without getting stuck. With just a piece of thread, you can remove even the most stubborn ring without pain, without damage, and without an expensive trip to the jeweler or emergency room.